Hello everyone! Today, we're going to solve a math problem that many people often get wrong. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what topics you'd like to see in future videos by leaving a comment below. First, you need to know the order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Second, you need to know how to divide fractions. Rule: write the first number, invert the second number, and perform the multiplication. Let's start solving our problem. First, let's write the divisions as fractions. The top part is 5 over 15, and the bottom part is 15 over 5. Now we'll do the divisions in fractions. The first number is written as is, 5 over 15. Multiplication is written instead of division. The second fraction is reversed, becoming 15 over 5. Now we can multiply. 5 times 5 equals 25. 15 times 15 equals 225. If we simplify, it becomes 1 over 9. Solve this question and write your answer in the comments. Now it's your turn. You're going to solve this question. Pause the video and see if you can figure out the answer. I'm solving it. Feel free to follow along. I hope you understood the solution. To support me and help me continue making content like this, please like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Goodbye.